Now another question which is again from our notes, and I do not know how many times we have practiced this marking the correct layer of the retina. So they had asked to mark the layers of the retina, but I do not know that which layer they had asked to mark. So can you guide me which layer they had asked to mark, guys? Because I know that this question came, but I do not know exactly that which question they had asked to mark. Like we have practiced the previous year questions. This was the AIMS 2017 question which we have discussed in our class. Whenever you have to mark the layer, if you remember, we always have to go in the two steps. We have to go in the two steps. First you have to see, is it nuclear or is it the plexiform? Then you have to see, is it outer or is it inner? Okay, so whenever you have to see like this, you can see it was a easy question. All the layers arrange. You, how did you arrange the layers, guys? I do not know. Means the name of the layers you had to arrange. This was the question, or you have to identify the marked layer. Can you tell me? So this is a nuclear layer, and this is also a nuclear layer. Ganglionic cells were already labeled also. Okay, and therefore this will be the plexiform layer, and this is also plexiform. Now you have to see the three things out of which you can have a choroid, or you can see the darkly pigmented RPE layer, or you are seeing the outer segment and inner segment. If you are able to see any of these three things, you know it is the outer part of the retina. Like if you see, this is the darkly pigmented RPE layer, right? So this is outer, therefore it is outer plexiform. This is inner plexiform. This is outer nuclear and this is inner nuclear. According to this, you can mark. Now, if they had asked to just arrange the layers, so you already know the name of the layers. So we know that first of all we have the RPE layer. This is the outermost layer. More detailed image was given, not the histopath image. So if you agree to this, if this kind of image was there and they have already told you that ganglionic cell layers are there, where we have the ganglionic cells, so you can easily mark like this. RPE layer hai. Then we have the layer of the rods and cones. Okay. Then we have external limiting membrane. Then it is outer nuclear, outer plexiform, inner nuclear, inner plexiform. Then we have the ganglionic cell layer. Then we have the nerve fiber layer, and finally internal limiting membrane. This we already know. RPE layer darkly pigmented hai. We have the melanin pigment here. Then we have layer of rods and cones में just outer segment and inner segment is present. It does not contain the whole of rods and cones. External limiting membrane में no cells. Internal limiting membrane में no cells. Nuclear layer में we will have the nuclei. So whenever we have nuclear layer, we will have nuclei. This will also have nuclei. And ganglionic cell may we will have the nuclei of ganglionic cells, that is third order. Now because this contains third order, therefore this contains second order and this contains the first order. First order is rods and cones, second order is the bipolar cells, and third order is the ganglionic cells. Now once you know, and they had already shown the ganglionic cells, you can easily arrange. Now here we have plexiform. This is the synapse. So this will contains the synapse between first and second, and inner plexiform will also contain the synapse, but this will be between the second and third. And nerve fiber layer, this contains the axons of the third order. So I do not know that what exactly was the question, but you know this. And according to this, because it is starting with the nuclei of first order, then we have synapse between first and second, then we have second order, synapse between second and third, and then the third order. So accordingly, you can easily arrange. We have also discussed histological identification of the different layers. That was a even more, one edge ahead. But if they have asked only this theoretical type of question, I hope it's clear. Right, guys?